friends, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful install, this skunk patch, I'm talking about curls, all of that, laid lace, fluffy baby hairs. I finally did fluffy baby hairs. I don't know what's wrong with me. I should have been doing fluffy baby hairs. If you want to keep it honest, I'm mad at myself. I got beef with myself. Like, you should have been doing fluffy baby hairs. These would just go crazy. Like, do you see how pretty they are? Like, what? I'm loving it. And if you guys want to love it and you want to see it, I'm not gonna keep y'all no longer. Definitely subscribe, like, and comment for me. Baby, let's get into the slay. Everybody love a good slay. Alright, y'all, so I finished curling the wig. We are not doing a bald cap method today. I am on a time schedule today. Your hair looking rough. My hair has grown a lot, as it should, period. So I'm gonna list the products to y'all that we're gonna be using before we even start this. Whole Skin Protect, our Renutrient Slick Stick, our Lotta Body hair foam, and we're gonna be trying something new. I'm gonna really try to do fluffy baby hairs today. I watched the Paris Danielle video, I think that's her name, and we really gonna try to do us some fluffy baby hairs. Alcohol to cleanse, olive oil or Fix It, Hold It spray, and grip gel. Even though to do the fluffy baby hairs I might not use this grip gel because I'm pretty sure she only used this. And our smoothing serum from Sally's, their generic brand. So let me see what video she I got my personals back on. Yeah, I refuse to come on screen with my nails not looking like, I just can't do that. Like I have to, I don't care if they are press-ons, the baby's got to be pressed on, because no. So we in my history, but, and I'll probably insert the video. I have no problem inserting this video. We're gonna try and do that technique. And our glue today, we're not using our air picture. We're gonna give that a rest because I love that glue, so I have to put it rest. But for adhesive, we're gonna use our gummy, and the label is like completely off. Gummy lace glue from I'ma Slay Your Bae. Yep, we're gonna be using our gummy lace glue. Y'all, I gotta do my makeup, but I just want to say, I think I'm doing my baby hairs like this forever. Like, forever. My baby hairs look so freaking cute. I think I'm doing my baby hairs like this forever, because no, they don't look heavy. They look, oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. I should have been hopped on the wave. I'd be so skeptical. I don't want to do nothing different from what I'm supposed to be doing or what I regularly do. But y'all, this is cute. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and the girl is gonna be right back. But do y'all see this? See the baby hairs? Yes, yes. All right, y'all. So y'all see the baby hairs? You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the install. The blind skunk patch, the curls for the girls. Listen, we're having a good day. Also did a video on this beat, baby. I look like a brat doll, and brat dolls was always my favorite doll. You know, some of the girls was Barbie dolls. I was a brat doll. A flavor. Okay, yes, mamas, we are looking too freaking good. This hair is also from Herluxehair. I've used this wig I don't know how many times. I absolutely love it. I love the I'm probably gonna fix this part if I feel like it. I don't really care, because if you on top of my head, you're a giant, because I'm already 5'10". So if you could see up here, baby, you out the park with it. Okay, y'all can tell I'm feeling myself. I got my okay, and I'm talking with my hands, period. And these curls is pretty. Okay, I'm most definitely gonna be taking some pictures, but yeah, I'm gonna be inserting pictures of every style I done did with this wig, if I got every picture of every style I done did with this wig. But basically, I'm saying I've used this wig a lot. This is some great hair. This is some amazing hair. This is some amazing hair. Y'all need to hit up Herluxehair. Okay, Herluxehair is where you want to be at this point. Like, it's where you want to be at. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on this beautiful wig, this beautiful install. I am feeling myself. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Also, like I said, don't forget to watch the video on this beat, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Have a blessed day.